Have you ever wondered what management is all about? According to Koontz, it's the art of getting things done through others and with formally organized groups. In today's world, management is more important than ever. With globalization and the rise of technology, businesses need effective management to stay competitive. Take Apple, for example. Under Steve Jobs' management, the company became one of the most successful in the world. But management isn't just for big corporations. Even small businesses and nonprofit organizations need effective management to achieve their goals. So, whether you're a CEO or a team leader, mastering management is essential to success. It's about working with others to achieve a common goal.